Hi guys, welcome back. And today I have a special treat for you. I'm very excited. I want to show you how to make a pumpkin spice latte at home because if you're like me and everybody else, we all love the pumpkin spice, but we're getting a little tired of paying $6 for a pumpkin spice latte every time we want one. So let me show you very quickly. It's easy and you can do it. All right. So first thing, we're going to have some kind of container where you can mix your stuff in. I'm going to use this glass measurer right here. We're going to take about a tablespoon of pureed pumpkin. That's just canned pumpkin, guys. Easy peasy right there. Okay. Then our spice. And guys, that pumpkin pie spice right here I made, and check out that video on how to make your own pumpkin pie spice blend at home. Easy, easy, easy. All right. So we have our pumpkin, our spice mixture, our coconut sugar, a little bit of vanilla. We're going to do about a half teaspoon of that. Again, go to taste on that, guys. You know, if you like the vanilla, add it. If you don't, leave that out. Completely okay. All right. Then we're going to whisk that together. And as you can see, it just made a nice little paste. All right. Then we are going to add our hot milk. I don't have a milk frother at home, okay? So if you are like me and you don't have one, just put it in a heat-proof vessel. Heat it up really, really hot in the microwave. All right, and now we've got that. So into our glass is going to go a little bit of our homemade cinnamon drizzle. You can use a jarred one. That's not a problem. And we're just going to kind of smear a little bit of this on the side just for a little bit of extra spice. We're going to add our coffee. Brewed our coffee. Pretty strong. Add, again guys, this is to absolute taste, right? All right, but add to what you want for yours. Okay, now with our very hot milk, we're going to put a little bit of that into this warm stainless steel container. Just a little bit. You don't need much of your really, really hot milk. And if it cooled down too much, put it back in the microwave like I did. Heat it back up, okay, into your hot stainless steel. And then use one of these old-fashioned egg beaters and just go to town. And just skim that foam right off the top. That way, you can get that beautiful barista coffee right at home. And the finishing touch is your homemade pumpkin pie spice blend. There you go, guys. Happy fall, y'all. Get your pumpkin spice latte right at home. And check us out, guys, on all of our other videos. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that for us, okay? We appreciate it so much. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.